A novel got cancelled this year after it was found that most of it was AI generated. And very recently, one of the five winners of the 2026 Commonwealth Short Story Prize was also found to be AI generated by a lot of readers. And last year, even Stranger Things creators were accused of using AI to write the final season. So, where does that leave us, the reader or the consumer? There is an idea in literary theory called the death of the author, proposed by Roland Barthes in an essay in 1967. The argument is that once a text exists, the author's intentions don't matter anymore. The reader makes the meaning. This is a very basic understanding of it, but yeah, this whole AI controversy is basically testing that theory out in real time. Stories come out of lived human experiences mixed with imagination, and there's always some hesitation and imperfection and vulnerability to it. That emotional labor, that imperfection, that vulnerability is what creates the thing worth responding to, worth consuming. And when that is missing, we might not feel it immediately, but I think we lose something and we do end up feeling it. I went through the Goodreads reviews of Shy Girl, the novel in question, and they were like the book was very show not tell or used a lot of metaphors and got too repetitive. And this was even before the AI controversy had come up, and that's exactly the catch. I feel AI would rely too much on the show don't tell rule, focusing too much on literary perfection. A human would sometimes break rules, get messy, get imperfect, and that's where the beauty of human writing lies. The Commonwealth Foundation now says that they have no choice but to operate on the principle of trust, because there is no reliable detection tool and no way to know for certain, which means the world right now is doing what it has always had to do when the rules change: figure out what it actually values and what it means to be human, to sit with those questions. And that is why we need the humanities now more than ever.